Hello and welcome to this introduction video for our tool SQL Analyzer. The tool scans all SQL servers and collects important information and metrics that are analyzed and displayed in a user-friendly interface, providing recommendations based on good practices. Doesn't matter if you are a DBA, consultant, or a company that provides SQL Server support, one of the most important things that you should do starting a new job or a project is to analyze the environment that you work in and get ready for the challenges you face along the way. In the real life, this process can take weeks and even months, based on the complexity of the environment, and very often it is not ever finished. Let me show you how our tool is working and how it can help you see the full picture from day one. The tool is portable and you don't need to install anything. You don't need NDA, and the tool can be given to the customer so they can collect data and you don't even connect to their network. Okay, let me extract the archive. And let's see what's inside. So we have two applications, SQL Analyzer and Analyzer Reader, that can only read the collected data. This text file servers is the file that you can put a predefined server list. Let me just add two servers. And save it. Let's start the application. Put the password. And while the application is loading, it is doing some basic checks, and it is checking also internet connection, so it can collect up-to-date information for SQL Server updates from official Microsoft websites. Here you can see the requirements, and from this button we can load the server list that we just created. So these are two of my servers inside my test network. On the right side, you notice these options. They are predefined for better performance, but you can modify them based on your requirements. And when you are ready, just click the Start button. This pop-up is saying that the application will freeze while loading the data, and the file where you can follow the progress if you want. When the scan is finished, you see the overall results with aggregated data, and you can dive into the details. For the servers, they are separated in sections like server inventory, configuration, performance, and licensing. Another cool feature is that you can scan your network for SQL servers, and it will discover all accessible SQL Server instances on your network. So just click on this button and you can start the scan. When the scan is finished, this pop-up will show you where the file with discovered servers is located. And let me show you this file. It's called Scan Servers. And you can see our two servers that we already collected data for, and our virtual cluster name, and two listeners for always on availability groups, and another server that has SQL Server. You can edit this file if you want. You can add some servers. You can remove some of these, and you can load it the same way that we load our predefined list and collect data for them. Another cool thing is that you can read already collected data. For every collection, archive is created like this one, and it holds all the data from your collection. You can read this data from Analyzer itself or from Analyzer Reader, which is suitable for cases when you just want to send this data to some colleague, some customer manager, so on. Anyone who wants to read the data. So let me show you this tool. It's the same, but it has only this button, Read Collection Data. Just click it, select the archive that you want to read, and you just need to wait a bit for data to be loaded, and in the meantime, the application will check for the latest update from official Microsoft websites. When the data is loaded, it looks exactly the same like when we finish with the collection. And with this, we came to an end of this introduction video, and I hope it will be helpful for you. Bye!